Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make voice announcement on your Amazon speakers by using Amazon application. So first of all, you have to be connected with your speaker. I am with my Dot, and you have to go for the communicate option and then just simply click to announce. Type something, whatever you want. You can also add sounds, like for example this one, and take a look. Right now when you press on this arrow,
from hard GG,
as you can hear, the announcement is here, and that's how you can make it by using this Amazon application. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.